Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, in previous class, I had taught you Unit 11 poem Three Wishes, and also I sent the PDF to you for write the classwork notes. Today, I am going to teach you Unit 10 Terry and the Turkey. So, children, before start the lesson, I will tell you a short information. I am sending the unit test along with that question paper means for unit wise test. It is useful for you to write the FA1, so you don't neglect that one. Have to write the unit test unit wise in your old any rough note or any old book. No need to write school FA1 small book. You can write any old book in your home. Okay, so let's get started. Unit 10 Terry and the Turkey Story, page number 68. The play which you are going to read is about a Thanksgiving Day. It is a festival day celebrated mainly in the United States and Canada. This is a day of giving thanks for the blessing of the harvest and the preceding year. Turkey is prepared on this day. There are many foods and dishes which are associated with certain festivals. Halim is prepared during the Ramadan season and Sundal is prepared during the Golu festival in Tamil Nadu. Find out the special dishes prepared during others festival. So children, in our India also, so many festivals are there we are celebrating for Makara Sankranti, Yugadi. These are all are called our religious festival. Okay, harvest or religious festival. So like that only in United States and they are Canada they are celebrating that festival Thanksgiving Day. In that day they are especially make the food made by turkey one type of hen that their special food that day. So I'm going to tell the story now. This is one type of drama. Okay, stage right. The humble home of grandpa and grandma. Stage left. The animal pen. It is time for Thanksgiving, a time of joy and celebration, of food, relaxation, and family. A day beloved of everyone that is except Tom Turkey. A turkey named Tom walks on stage left, flapping his wings. Did you see the picture? You can understand Thanksgiving Day how they celebrate. They make on the drama on the stage. Like that only right side grandpa grandma, left side animal pen. The animal pen. Which animal there? Turkey. One type of hen. Big black color hen. I think you also can observe in our Karnataka also there small big color hens are called turkeys. The turkey's name is here Tom. All are happy to celebrate, but turkey was getting tension because they have to kill him to have their special Thanksgiving Day food. Okay. Next, Tom. Gobble gobble. Tom means that turkey. Gobble gobble. Means they are making the sound. On stage right, grandma and grandpa entered. Tom listened to them as they speak. Whatever grandmother, grandfather is speaking, Tom means turkey was listening that one. Grandma, I mashed the potatoes, I cramped the cranberries, I yummed the yams, and now it's time for you to do what you always do on Thanksgiving Day. Grandpa, watch football. Grandma, no, it's time to prepare the turkey. Tom, prepare. That doesn't sound so bad. Grandma, prepare. That's such hard work. I have to pluck the feathers. Tom, oh, Grandma, and pull out the innards. Tom, eek, grandma, and toss him in the oven. Tom, oh my, grandma, but don't forget, first you must off his head. Tom, grab his neck, fearful. And all this time I thought I was going to be the guest of honor. Duck entered. I have got to get out of here. These people are going to eat me. Duck, quack, quack. Welcome to my world, buddy, grandpa. Well, I guess I better get busy. A happy, a happy couple, mom and dad, entered. So, children, this much first I will explain to you. The grandma, after the speaking whatever, the turkey was listening, page number 68. Grandma came and she was telling, she mashed the potatoes and crammed the cranberries and everything she was prepared to make the food. But now this is a time to do grandfather. Grandfather telling, I watch football. Grandmother telling, no, you have to prepare turkey. Turkey means that hen food. Tom, prepare. That does prepare does not matter sound, bad sound. It is good, prepare. But whenever that grandmother telling one by one how to make food to that turkey, he was getting excitement. First, have to remove the feathers. That time it's getting pain. Oh, and pull out the innards. Means inside the skin have to remove. Yuck. Everything after one by one, grandma telling have to toss in oven. That one also very painful for that turkey Tom. After chop his head, everything they're explaining both, and the turkey was getting tension to listen that one. After that enter who? Duck. Quack quack. Duck sound quack quack. Welcome to my world, buddy. Grandpa. So mom and dad. Hi grandpa. Mom. Happy Thanksgiving. Dad. Is there anything we can do to help? Grandpa. I'm glad to ask that. Go out back and chop off the turkey's head. Dad. Oh, I was hoping you would have me set the table. Grandpa. Too bad. Get chopping. Mom. Be brave, dear. Dad. But honey, you know the sight of blood makes me queasy. Ma'am, I'm needed to in the kitchen. Dad. Well, something a man has to do. What a man has to do. So again, who came? Next came that mom and dad, means Terry's mom and dad. That is grandfather grandmother. Now Terry's grandmother they came and they are discussing about how to celebrate, what have to do the work one by one. They are explaining. You have to help me to cut the turkey, but that father telling I was getting scared to see the blood of the animal, so you better come to kitchen. Next page, children, page number 70. Make these kids to the work. Son, hi dad, is dinner ready yet? Dad, son, this is a very special Thanksgiving because I am giving you a very special responsibility. I need you to chop off turkey's head. Son, gross. Dad, and while you are at it, pluck the feathers, take out the innards, and give it to grandma to put in the oven. But, 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 have fun, son. The son turns to Terry, who has been engrossed in a book. So, what happened when Terry and his brother came to enter in their house? That time, his father was telling, "You have to help me to how to cut the turkey. Have to cut the head, have to innard, have to remove the innard. After I'll give to grandma to put in the oven." But Terry's brother means son means Terry's brother. He was not ready to do that work. They are thinking what to do. Son, Terry, hey, bookworm, did you hear what Dad just said to me? Terry, no, I was too busy reading my history book. Son, you mean you didn't hear a single word Dad said? Terry, no, what did he say? He wants to he wants you to kill the turkey. He pushes her towards animal pen, then exits. Teddy, well, I guess if we want to a turkey dinner, someone has to do it. Optional. She picks up a prop X makes sure it's something safe. Teddy, sorry, Mr. Turkey, the time has come. Tom, I feel faint. The turkey starts to sway back and forth. He falls to the ground. Terry, oh no, I think he is having a heart attack. Grandma, who's having a heart attack? Terry, checking the turkey's pulse. He does not have a pulse. Grandma, I don't have a pulse. Terry, no, not you, Grandpa, the turkey. So they are given the duty to the Terry to do that work, but suddenly that turkey was fell down from the table. What happened? That Terry is telling maybe he was getting heart attack. Grandma suddenly came and telling, I got heart attack. No, no, not you. The turkey got heart attack, and Terry was checking his pulse. Pulse means in our wrist there, na, that pulse doctor is checking like that only checking. Maybe he got heart attack. Next children, page number 71. Dad, Terry, Dad and Mom enter. Again now who came? Dad and Mom. Terry, what are you doing? Terry, CPR. CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation, a method in which blow air into the pumice. They are pumping his chest. They can take the breath. Okay. CPR. I learned it in my health class. Mom, she is such a good student. Son entering means Terry's brother. What the heck is going on? Terry, I think it's working. Live, Mr. Turkey, live. Tom, coming back to life. Gobble, gobble. Again, starting gobble, gobble means sound doing. Mom, you did it, honey? Dad, you saved his life. Terry, yep. Now should I chop off his head? Grandma, now wait, child, it just does not seem right. Terry, maybe we should not kill him. So now they are telling, they are seeing the pulse means CPR, and they are, the Terry is pumping his chest to take the breath. Suddenly it was working, and they are thinking he was live again. No problem. Now they have to cut the chop his head. But in that time only grandmother telling, no, no, not now. Wait, just have to wait. This is not time to do that work. We should not kill him. Now they are thinking they should not kill to him. Next children, turn the page, page number 72. Grandma, I think that's a lovely idea. After all, one of the many things we should be thankful for is simply now how many families have been able to have wonderful Thanksgiving dinners all because of this noble bird. Besides, we have many other delicious food we can eat. Yums, canberries, freshly made bread, and mashed potatoes. Grandma, that's right, Grandma. Now who's up for some duck roast? Duck, feeling faint. I gotta get out of here. So what happened after they had decided they should not kill the animal, that tom turkey, because they have so many foods to have. See, like for example, they are telling we have delicious food, yams, cranberries, cranberries, freshly made bread, mashed potatoes. That time we can have it, no? Why we should kill that animal? Thanksgiving Day we can celebrate our others' food. Many houses they are not doing also. So now the duck was getting relief. I gotta get out of here. I will not stay here. I have to go because anytime they can kill, they can eat, have to him. Yes. So children, we can learn to show the sympathy about animals. Yes, this story has given the learn moral to us, we should not hurt anybody without reason. Our wish, our happiness, we are killing one element. That is should not happen. But we have to eat so many animals, but sometimes have to think. Okay. So this is the story of Tommy, Terry, and the turkey. And I will send the question answer, that photos you have to write. Underline words in book only have children can see and write. Listen carefully. Now story over. Underline words you can get from the story. You have to write in your classwork. And word meaning 70 to 73 pages have learned from there. No need to write. Only new words write from the underline words. Choose the correct answer. I will send you when I write the PDF. And next, page number 75, meaning I written, sentence you have to do yourself. Page number 75 B1 work. And answer the following questions. Only question 1 and 2 you have to write. Okay? And next, others I will send in PDF. You can complete in your classwork. I hope all can understand. And next lesson onwards, I will send the photos and I will mention the page number. You follow that instruction and write. No need to ask any questions about that one. How have to write. Okay, I hope all you can understand, children. So bye, children.